Namaste. My name is Ruhe Zimmer. I'm International Meditation Master. Today I want to speak about this delicious food regenerates stem cells for longevity. Stem cells are necessary to rebuild our cells, and if we have too few stem cells, we can't rebuild enough healthy cells. And for aging, it's very important because of a lack of stem cells. For instance, when we are exposed to chemicals that can destroy DNA, we get sick. Our DNA tries to protect us from the environment and so tries to rebuild itself. When it can't do so, we get cancer. For instance, my friend applied a cheap medicine to her warts. The result was cancer. It's not only the wart, it produces also cancer. Then, okay, and for this we need to heal the stem cells, and the stem cells repair the DNA. Dark chocolate. Instead, use dark brown cocoa powder and drink it with honey so that you don't consume white sugar and milk powder. Also, I promote dark brown cocoa powder and just with hot water and honey. Dark brown cocoa powder doubles the stem cell flow in our blood. Cocoa is a rich source of dietary polyphenols. The polyphenols trigger a reaction in our body to call out the stem cells and so double the stem cells. Good for people above 60 years old, good for regenerating our blood vessels and our hearts. And delicious. No? Then leafy greens, green tea, blueberry, broccoli sprouts, 3 days have 100 times more sulforaphane than in broccoli. Why is our gut microbiota so important for health and stem cells? Also, this you should understand. Our gut bacteria regulates our metabolism, controls our brain, and can heal us from the inside. 70% of our immune system lives in the gut, and so our gut bacteria. The gut bacteria communicate with our immune system and even with our brain. Take probiotics every day. Thank you that I could speak about this, and bye.